सिनेमा हो एक वैश्विक माध्यम जो भाषेच्या पलीकडेन आसा आणि अशा प्रकाराचे कितलेशेच घटक आमच्या जैविक आणि नैतिक जिवितात येता। जेन्ना एखादो प्रेक्षक सिनेमागृहात बसका घेता तेन्ना तो केन्नाच आपल्या शेजराक बशिल्ल्याची धर्म वा जात विचारिना अशें उलोवप दादासाहेब फाळके पुरस्कार रेट्रोस्पेक्टिव्हच्या उक्तावणा वेळार बॉलिवूड महानायक अमिताभ बच्चन हांणी केला। RDXGOA खातीर पणजेच्यान संजय मुनोली।
Coming to Goa has always been like coming home. My very first film was shot here, and ever since then we've had many opportunities to work in this wonderful place and receive the hospitality of all the Goanese during our various stints of shootings. I've always felt that cinema is a universal medium, one that is beyond language and beyond all kinds of other factors that keep coming into our social and moral lives. When we sit inside a darkened hall, we never ask the caste, creed, color, or religion of the person sitting next to us. Yet we enjoy the same film, we sing the same songs, we laugh at the same jokes, we cry at the same emotions. There are very few mediums left, ladies and gentlemen, in this fast disintegrating world that can claim such integration in this medium. I hope that we continue to make films that will bring people together and disintegrate this rather odd system of keeping sides due to color, caste and religion, bringing us all into one community, making us hold hands together to appreciate our creativity and take a step forward in making this world a more